Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Fun with Mom and Son. I am Pratyaksh. So today I have a demand to make a special customized coffee, not the normal cold coffee mom wants to drink and I have a demand from mom. I was thinking and I decided to make the trending Dalgona coffee. Ingredients. The ingredients I'll be telling you are for 2 servings. Dalgona coffee requires a ratio of 1:1 of the ingredients. So, we will be taking 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, and 2 tablespoons instant coffee. We also need ice cubes to serve and milk to serve. We have to take a medium sized bowl. First of all, we will put sugar in it. Then we will put the instant coffee. So I have just boiled the water and now I will add it to the instant coffee and sugar. Now take a hand whisk and start whisking the mixture. So guys, this is quite tiring using the manual whisk. So you can also use an electric hand mixer. So while whisking, don't regard the time or anything. Just keep whisking until the mixture is completely. Also, don't lose hope. Unlike me making dalgona for the first time, because I did and it turned out to be a fade coffee by Pratyaksh. So check out the photos. Yeah, so don't lose hope. And guys, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Hit me also because I speak so bad. Yeah, so guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Please like and comment on this video, please, because this is tiring and this deserves a like and a subscribe. So please like and subscribe. Hey mom, this is all yours. Just
ओके बेटा, कोई नहीं, यू आर मेकिंग फॉर मी और मुझसे ही मेहनत करवा रहा है.
मेहनत बस 30 सेकंड के लिए हुई. चलो. So guys, after 10 minutes, it's just magic. The mixture rises each second so beautifully. It's like, wait, did it break? No, it won't break. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, it's like a time lapse video. It's really beautiful. It's out of the world. Now, after 18 to 20 minutes, the mixture has fluffed up and risen completely. And this is the hard work, the sweat. आज मैं अपनी माता को अपने मेहनत की कॉफी पिलाऊंगा. And don't think that sweat went into the mixture, and even if it did, don't tell mom, okay? Now let's make the dalgona coffee. Let's assemble it. Assembly. So to assemble the dalgona coffee, we need ice cubes, milk, and the mixture, coffee mixture. So first we will take a few ice cubes. I'm taking 2 and put it in a glass.
हैव यू बॉट सेकंड ग्लास ऑल्सो?
Yeah, mama, look at it. It's here.
वाह बेटा, सो यू रिमेंबर ब्रिंगिंग अ ग्लास फॉर योर सेल्फ बट नॉट फॉर मी, याद है ना, while मेकिंग हॉट चॉकलेट?
Arey mom, it's not like that. I am not partial or anything. So that some days my memory is good. It's better, you know. That is today. So let's make it. Let's show the assembly. Show the assembly. Yeah. So now we have to pour the milk into the glass and fill 2/3 of it. Now we have arrived to the best part for which dalgona is famous. We have to put the coffee mixture above the milk. You can see that the mixture is floating. You can make different designs also. It's really beautiful. Look at it. So now our dalgona coffee is ready. Mom, are you happy with the customization of the special coffee?
Very much. It's very impressive. Happy.
It's very tiring to make this, but when you look at the final product, all the hard work pays off.
Cheers.
Cheers.
But how should I drink it, Happy?
It's more of eating, right?
Yeah,
You know-
it's more of eating.
The hard work pays off, but again, when you drink this, or should I say eat this, you again start regretting your last 30 minutes that why did you make this? So I think I have an idea. Wait.
What are you doing, Happy?
I have made a whole kind of thing here so that the milk can using a spoon. The milk can also come. Let me try.
Is it fine?
It's actually better. Another suggestion. So take the glasses, put all the coffee in a bottle, scoop it out.
Why are you doing this?
Mama, this suggestion is for those people who don't like strong coffee, because the content of coffee in each sip is much higher than milk. I think you have noticed it also, right?
Yeah.
So after you put it in a bottle, start mixing it.
Kids
Mix.
will also enjoy like this.
Yeah, it won't be that strong, right? So mix it. I don't think this is working, so I'll take the whisk again and I'll start mixing it again. Yeah! Wow! And then shake it real good. Put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, take it out in a glass and enjoy the cold coffee. Make dalgona. It's a really nice experience. You would feel proud of yourself if you make dalgona, because it's really beautiful when you make it. But then drink it like this. It's more tasty. Tastier. Why did I say more tasty?
ये तेरा तुम्हारा ये तुम्हारा नहीं वो तुम्हारा
नहीं वो मेरा है।
नहीं हमारे बस तुम्हारा
बड़ा वाला मेरा है, ज्यादा वाला मेरा है।
ये मेरा है
कुछ भी।
चल ले चुपचाप से
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching the video.
Don't forget to like and comment on our video.
Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon,
Because
cooking becomes much more fun.
when you do it with your son.
Yes guys, sign off for now. We'll meet you in the next video.